You were not born to work 40 years for someone else's dream. Yet here you are, waking up at the same time every morning, sitting in the same chair, doing the same work. And at the end of the month, after taxes, after bills, after everything, you are left with almost nothing. You did everything they told you to do, studied hard, worked hard, stayed loyal, and the system rewarded you with just enough to keep you coming back tomorrow. You are trapped inside a system that was never designed for you to win. Most people treat a 9-to-5 like a life sentence, but the truly wealthy operate on a different matrix. They look at it as a venture capitalist, funding their true empire. Welcome back to Finance King and Queen. In episode 2, we are breaking down the exact step-by-step strategy to generate serious online income as a side hustle without quitting your day job and using just 2 hours of focused time a day. No fluff, no pyramid schemes, just pure scalable math. Here's the truth they never taught you in school. There are 2 kinds of income in this world. The first kind trades your time for money. You stop working, the money stops coming. This is called active income, and 95% of people live and die inside it. The second kind works while you sleep, while you eat dinner with your family, while you sit on that same crowded subway. This is called passive or semi-passive income, and the wealthy have been building it for centuries. Today we are going to show you exactly how to build the second kind, starting from zero. Before we talk about what to build, we have to talk about how to build it. The biggest mistake amateurs make is trying to launch a business that requires 10 hours a day right out of the gate. You'll burn out in a week. After studying the financial habits of the wealthy and testing strategies ourselves from rock bottom, we found the core structure that everything else is built upon, the code of the elite. We found that every serious online income stream rests on 3 pillars. Pillar 1, knowledge monetization. Pillar 2, digital assets. Pillar 3, leverage. Master these 3 and you will never depend on a single paycheck again. Let us break each one down. Pillar 1, getting paid for what you already know. Here's something most people don't realize. You already have knowledge that other people will pay for. Can you cook, teach, design things, write, fix stuff around the house? There is someone out there right now willing to pay for exactly that, and the internet means you can reach them anywhere in the world. Let's break down 3 ways to make it happen. Option A, freelancing, trading your skill for cash. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are basically job boards where people post what they need done, and you say, I can do that. Writing, design, video editing, translation, social media, it's all there. Someone just starting out can pull in an extra $500 a month. Someone with experience can hit $5,000. The gap isn't about being more talented, it's about how you present yourself, how you describe what you do, who you do it for, and why you're the right person. Option B, digital products. Make it once, sell it forever. This is the idea of putting your knowledge into a file, an ebook, a template, a quick guide, a mini course, and selling it over and over without doing extra work. Imagine you're really good at managing money. You write a simple PDF guide with your best tips, sell it for $17. Now 500 people buy it. That's $8,500 from one document you wrote once. You're not trading hours for money anymore. You're selling the same thing to as many people as want it. Option C, content creation. Build an audience, then monetize it. This is what YouTube channels, newsletters, and podcasts are. You share what you know consistently, and over time, people follow you for it. Once you have an audience, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, or selling your own products to people who already trust you. Yes, it takes longer to get going, but it can become the most powerful of the 3 because the audience compounds over time. The big idea, you don't need a new skill. You need to start packaging the one you already have. Today, we show you how. Let's build your empire. Pillar 2, making money while you sleep. A digital asset is simply something online that keeps earning money even when you're not working. The easiest way to picture it, imagine owning a rental property. But unlike a real house, there's no mortgage to pay, nothing to repair, and no tenant calling you at midnight about a broken pipe. Here are 3 ways to build one. Option A, affiliate marketing, recommending things you like. This one is simple. You share a link to a product. Someone clicks it and buys. You get a cut of the sale, automatically, with zero involvement after that. You don't store any products, you just point people towards something useful. Big YouTube channels do this quietly. Some are earning $10,000 to $100,000 a month just from those. Option B, stock photos and music. Upload once, earn for years. If you take decent photos or make music, you can upload your work to sites like Shutterstock or Audio Jungle. Every time a business downloads your track, you get paid. Option C, niche websites. A tiny website on one specific topic, built around something specific that people Google a lot. Dog training, air fryer recipes, anything with a consistent audience. A site with 10,000 monthly visitors can bring in $500 to $2,000 every month. You write helpful content, people find it through Google, and you earn money through ads quietly in the background. Digital assets do the work once and keep paying you after. You're not selling your time, you're building something that earns on its own. The big idea, digital assets do the work once and keep paying you after. You're not selling your time, you're building something that earns on its own. Let's build your empire. Pillar 3, stop trading. Time for money. This is the one wealthy people rarely explain out loud. Leverage just means using tools, systems, and other people's help to get way more done than you could ever do alone. Here's the simplest way to understand it. When you get paid by the hour, your income has a ceiling. There are only so many hours in a day. That's zero leverage. But when you build something that keeps working even when you're offline, asleep, or on holiday, that's leverage. And it's available to anyone, not just billionaires. Here's how to start using it right now. Automate the boring, repetitive stuff. A lot of tasks you do over and over can be handled by free or cheap tools. Sending follow-up emails, automated, posting to social media, scheduled in advance, taking payments, handled without you lifting a finger. Tools like Zapier, Notion, and Canva let you set things up once and walk away. 1 hour of your time can do the job of 10. That's not an exaggeration. Stop doing everything yourself. Once your side hustle brings in its first $500, don't spend it all. Put some of it back into hiring someone to handle the tasks that eat your time. Writing captions, editing videos, responding to basic emails, these can all be handed off cheaply. This is the moment a side hustle starts becoming an actual business. Stack your income streams. Don't rely on just one source of income. Picture this. You freelance, you sell a digital product, and you have affiliate links earning quietly. That's 3 streams. If one slows down or disappears, you're fine. The others carry you. That's not luck. That's a system built on purpose. The big idea, stop being the engine that powers everything. Build the engine, then step back. Your time is the one thing you can never get more of. So stop being the only thing standing between you and more income. Let's build your empire. Together, today. The honest truth nobody wants to hear. None of this happens overnight. And if anyone tells you it does, they're trying to sell you something. The first month, slow, maybe even discouraging. You'll put in work and wonder if anything is happening at all. The second month, your patience gets tested. You'll think about quitting. Most people do quit, right here. But if you keep showing up anyway, something changes around month 3. It's not magic, it's just momentum finally catching up to your effort. The algorithm starts pushing your content to new people. Clients start coming to you instead of you chasing them. That digital product you made gets its first sale, then another, then a few more. And then one morning, it happens. You wake up, roll over, check your phone half asleep, and you see money came in overnight. While you were dreaming. While you were doing absolutely nothing. That feeling, it doesn't get old. Ever. One last thing. Let's be real about the numbers. Throughout this video, I mentioned figures like A beginner copywriter earning $500 a month, an experienced one hitting $5,000, a niche website bringing in $500 to $2,000 monthly, and big channels earning 5 to 6 figures through affiliate links. These are real ranges based on what people actually earn in these spaces. They're not made up, but they're also not a promise. Your results depend on how much you put in, what niche you pick, how consistent you are, and yes, some timing and luck too. Some people do better, some take longer. That's just honest. The big idea. The only people who never make it are the ones who stop. Stay in the game long enough, and the game starts working in your favor. Not tomorrow, not Monday, not when things slow down. Tonight. Here's all you have to do. Pick one pillar, pick one option inside it, open a new tab and spend 1 hour going deep on it. 1 hour. That's it. Empires don't start with a big launch or a perfect plan. They start with one quiet decision made on a Tuesday night while everyone else is 3 episodes deep into something they'll forget by morning. You chose differently. You're still here. That means something. Now tell me in the comments, which pillar are you starting with and why? Are you going with pillar 1 because you already have a skill and just need to start packaging it? Are you drawn to pillar 2 because the idea of earning while you sleep actually excites you? Or does pillar 3 hit different because you're already working hard and you're ready to work smarter? Drop it below. 1 word, 1 sentence, or your whole plan. I read every single one. And if someone's comment speaks to you, reply to them. This community is part of the blueprint too. You didn't find this channel by accident. Something in you refused to stay comfortable, refused to stay small, refused to accept that the life you want is only available to other people. Honor that feeling, feed it, subscribe, hit the bell, because the next video builds on everything you just learned, and you don't want to start from behind. 1 video at a time, 1 decision at a time, 1 night at a time, starting tonight.